Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is OBAAPA Kitchen. As you can see, we are here live in Ghana. Today, our menu today is Abenduro that we are going to prepare. So normally, you know, my video I have a recipe about Abenduro, but because we are in Ghana, so we have the real deal. Okay, so as you can see, we have all the ingredients lying up here. So I'm going to go through them so you guys will get an idea what I'm going to use to make this soup. So first of all, as you can see, I have my adrenaline on this side. I think this one is called pitili. Yeah, the adrenaline is called pitili, and also we have some chicken right here. This is smoked chicken. We have 2 of them on this side. That is gonna go as well. And also, as you can see, we have here Superku. You guys know Superku, right? And also we have this fish right here. It's called ochin. I have 4 of them that we are going to use to prepare this soup. And we also have salmon on this side as well. Yeah, the smoked fish salmon. Actually that is a smoked mackerel, but here we call it salmon. And when you look at this side, we have Kotodwe. This is Kotodwe. This is cow foot or feet right here, or cow leg. This is what we are going to use. And Kotodwe. Yeah, and guys, you guys know what it is, right? This guy right here is the real deal of the soup. This is kusie. We catch them from the bush, so they are very, very expensive and hard to get. But thankfully to my lovely husband, that's my sister's husband, he got it from the bush, so we are going to use it to make this soup as well. Then when we come here, our vegetables, we're going to use inyadra. Yes, that is garden eggs. We have percase on this side, guys. It's a Abenduro. And also we have some fresh tomatoes. We have garlic and ginger. We have or 2 red onion. And guys, like I said, it's a Abenduro. Okay, so we have all the ingredients right here. So this is our abe. That is a palm nuts right here. And also this is imeko, that is the pepper. And we have this is Abenduro. I hope you guys know. I don't know, you guys know English name for Abenduro? I think somebody said Yasantua. So guys, this is what we are going to make. So we're going to wash it and boil all of them. I'm going to go through with you so you guys will see how this is prepared. Okay, the US, they have this one already in the can, that it's already processed. All you have to do is just open it and add it to your soup. But we're in Ghana, okay, so we're gonna eat the real deal right here. So stay tuned, let's get started. So first of all, I have a post right here. She's my daughter. She is going to wash it. It's like how we do it. And she has like extra water on this that we're going to boil all of them in there. This looks lovely. So this is how we do it in Ghana. Abenduro, papebi. Guys, we have our abe already in the stove, so we're gonna cover it. You can see we have all the woods and everything ready. It's a little dark here. Let me try one. I'm gonna cut it. So yeah, as you can see, we have the pot right here, and then we already added the palm nuts. Yeah, and then this is the pounded one as well. So this is how they make it like in a local way to get that palm cream. Yeah, this is how you do it. So my sister is actually trying to strain all the water out, and then another person will pound it just like the fufu, you know. This is how it looks. Alright, so this is done. She's just going to take them from the mortar and then put it in the bowl. So this is basically going to be the soup. As you can see, it is well done. This stuff here is very, very spicy. So you have to be careful. So because our mortar is very small, so you're going to do another batch. This is on the other side. But yeah, this is how it is. So this is the abe, the palm. So they're using the same water that they use to boil the palm nuts, the same thing to mix with the soup. So that's how it is. I like this idea actually. This is my first time seeing it, but I really like this. Probably is the easiest. And this will be the second batch right here. And this is the soup. So she's gonna stir and then take all the palms out. Yeah. The papa be we feel the pa come pa feel the special. Once you saw make home, the dear come. Oh, yeah, we should mama the plaque of town. Aye. Bear the pa come. So at this time, she's just gonna strain the palm nuts right now. So actually, this is the process of her doing it. So she's gonna show us how to do all of it. Yes. So we have like we're gonna do it like 2 times, right? See, I was on this in tree. I see, but on this, so I'm going to. This is how they do it. this part, she's washing the meat and she's gonna add it to the soup. This is how she makes it. So this is basically the Abenduro right here. Yeah, so this is how she make her Abenduro soup. This is her style. So as you can see, she's washing all the meat. She's washing the Kotodwe first and then she's adding the soup. This soup is not cooked though, just so you guys know. We have all the meat. It's pre-washed, but because of the video, we're gonna wash it again, so everybody can see how it is made. One bed of so I know the precursor is going to go in later, right? Okay. So I'm going to leave the precursor right here because that one is going to go later. So now she's going to add the onion. Add the chopped onion. Right here, she's going to add it to the soup. A little bit of onion blend. The next is the fresh tomatoes. She's adding. Local typical Ghana Abenduro Palmnut soup. Serious one, come on. There, the other onion as well. She's gonna peel it and add it to the soup. Soup no dey gajwa here ni na. This and quantity the year we mix soup. So she's adding a little bit of the soup. So that we're gonna steam it. You know, that's what she's gonna use to steam it. So she's not gonna add all the soup. She's adding part of it and she's gonna steam. And now she's gonna add some salt for taste. She's gonna add some salt for taste. So you're gonna cover it and then put it on the stove and let it steam for about 15 minutes. Then we add our soup. So the stew has been steaming for about 25 minutes so far. Yeah, so right now we're gonna add the Abenduro to it. That's a lot of soup, right? So I think probably all of them is not going to food. Oh yeah, okay. This is the Abenduro soup. Local Ghana Abenduro. Yeah, so right now we're just gonna let it boil. And after it's done, we're gonna take the tomato and an onion out and we're gonna blend it and then add it to the soup like the normal way. Yeah. So now she's gonna add the garden eggs as well. So this is Apple style. This is her style, guys. I think it tastes better when she adds those stuff. This is how the precursor looks like. That's good. So now she's gonna like cook it and then she's gonna add it to the soup. This part is very important. The reason why she's doing that is going to bring out the flavor of the precursor out. So when you add it to the soup, and you already have your abenquine flavor from the precursor, you can use the same method for like light soup or whatever soup you want to make. The precursor, it has like some herbs in it too, but it's very good for your health. So normally we are in Ghana, so you have to make sure we add all the necessary stuff into the ingredients. Alright, now just go to the soup and we will be done. The soup smelling so good though. So as the precursor. Alright guys, so as you can see, the soup is finally done. It's here. As you can see, the oil has come out. The meat is swimming in this soup. It's looking very delicious. The precursor is on top of the soup. I love it guys. So today we are going to serve with a mutu. As you can see, authentic Ghana rice ball right here on this side. Yeah, it's gonna go with the abenquine. Alright guys, so she's gonna serve the soup right here. The abenquine on this side. There we go. We got the pussy on this side as well. The soup is smelling very nice. Very nice. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. We are in Ghana, we're enjoying our dish. Try this recipe and let us know how you think. And we will see you in the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day. Bye.